One of these meal plans costs less than a coffee a day. The other costs more than most people spend on rent. This week, I tested both to see which one actually kills stress. And one of them completely destroyed my sleep by Wednesday. Everyone is obsessed with expensive wellness, cold plunges, IV drips, $18 smoothies that promise to reset your nerve system. But here's the truth. Over 77% of adults report physical stress symptoms. Over 60% report stress-related sleep problems. Yet, people still believe if it's expensive, it must work better. So I tested that belief using the most controllable approach possible. Food. I used the same schedule, the same sleep windows, and the same work stress. No supplements, no takeout, no caffeine tricks, no therapy or pre-work. Just food. 1 week at $5 per day, 1 week at $500 per week. I tracked HRV, sleep scores, energy, cravings, productivity, and stress scale from 1 to 10. No options, only the data. For breakfast, oats, banana, and peanut butter. For lunch, rice, eggs, and frozen vegetables. For dinner, beans, potatoes, and olive oil. The total is $4.86 per day. No superfood, no marketing, just fuel. There's no way this beats the luxury plan. For the $500 plan, wild salmon, grass-fed beef, organic berries, matcha, fermented food, and $12 cold-pressed juice. Every label promised lower cortisol, calm the nerve system, optimize stress response. If money fixes stress, this would win easily. Day 1, health identical, energy stable, stress normal, sleep fine. Stress management doesn't fail instantly. It fails quietly over days, and that's when things shifted. By midweek, one plan caused the worst sleep score I had in all years. The HRV crashed, heart rate spiked, stress scale jumped from 4 to 8. I'll reveal which one in a moment. By Wednesday, I almost quit one plan. Not from hunger, from decision fatigue. Too many ingredients, too many prep steps, too much organization. A plan you can't follow creates more stress than it removes. Pick one food container in your kitchen today. That is now your default meal prep container. Less friction equals less stress. This alone dropped my weekday stress by 1 full point. The plan that destroyed my sleep was the $500 plan. By night 3, sleep efficiency was down 18%, REM slept down, heart rate went up, HRV went down. Expensive didn't mean calming, it meant activating. The $5 plan did the opposite. Blood sugar stable, cravings lower, energy smooth, sleep deeper, HRV rising. It wasn't exciting, it was predictable. And predictability is what the nerve system wants. The $5 plan saved time, mental bandwidth, decision energy, which increased focus, consistency, and productivity. The $500 plan looked perfect. The $5 plan worked. Stress reduction, the $5 plan. Sleep quality, the $5 plan. Energy stability, the $5 plan. Cravings, a tie. The $500 plan won only one category. Ingredient prestige. Your nerve system does not care. Stress isn't destroyed by luxury. It's regulated by stability. Most people don't need better supplements. They need fewer decisions. That's why the cheaper plans work. If this saved your mental energy, share this with someone who's burning out. The real flex isn't about spending more. It's needing less.